And today I have my new fitness treadmill, the Xebex Fitness Runner. See here is this treadmill is curved. Unlike traditional treadmills that are flat and have a motorized incline, this has a natural curve so that you generate the power to move this platform here. This is not a motorized treadmill. The platform is made out of dense rubber for a good gripping surface whether you're walking or running. So you'll notice that unlike traditional treadmills, this is a bit higher because you have to take up for account of the slack of the platform. So you step on like you would. You have these guardrails and you have these handrails, and firstly, this is the first position you maintain before you begin. So once you step on the treadmill, you're going to see what I found, that you have these little lines here where the plates that they designed to hold the machine together, and they're a good indication of where you should be placing your feet, somewhat on the downslope of the curve. The beep is the machine sinking, and now it comes on. And as you see, I'm stepping where that line is, and here, like I said, I don't press any buttons, there's no motor, it's just me walking. So I can walk at a brisk pace, pumping my arms, or I can slight jog, or I can start to sprint. Very versatile. I love it. A good investment. No maintenance costs, and all of it is human energy being generated to get fit. Well, that's the Xebex Fitness Treadmill. Very versatile, non-motorized, and it seems like it's going to be a lot of fun for the clients and myself. So come on down to next level. I have one, and let's start training together.